Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, my God. Hey, people, I am so ecstatic. You are seeing something of sort of a miracle, I can call it, in front of you. USDT Faucet. This is a cryptocurrency wallet. Wallet, forgive me, not a wallet, a mining process. I've just joined this about a couple of days ago, and the incredible amount of great offers that's been handed out to me, as you can see right before you, is 811,000 coins, I think. Please note, this video is my first one regarding this Faucet app that is mining huge amount of coins on my behalf every 2 minutes. So every 2 minutes, I get 10,000 coins injected into this huge balance. Now, what's the reason? This is a crypto world that it is just astounding, and I can't believe myself how fast it's moving, how prosperous it is, and how many professional, intelligent people has put together these parcels and systems so you and I can get access and get a fair share of the massive income crypto is generating. Now, faucet. If you know anything about a faucet, it's like a tap. And that my wife Lily has just exposed today. Hey, that faucet sounds like it is released or open. But anyway, let's go back in the beginning. Before we access this wonderful mining app, you got to go through their first app, which is called Faucet Pay. Now, if you follow the links I've got up here, I'm going to go slowly with my video so you can capture it. Firstly, you got to have this account, Faucet Pay first. And once you register here, I'll show you later how to link this website of Faucet Pay to their mining website, which is I'm using USDT as my introductions into this. Excuse me. And at the top here is the address where you can actually do the mining. Now, I just want to show you how these great massive coins have come to be in my account. I started off with 10,000. In a couple of days, all I've done is click. Every time 2 minutes, I click on and accumulate all these huge coins. It's pretty simple. Just watch me how I'm going to do it. Dashboard. I'll go back to, I'll go to claim. If I click on claim, it takes me to another part of the website that will allow me to make claim. Okay, there's my 2 minutes is up. What's happened here? They're giving me another 200. What's happened here was initially they gave everybody 200 clicks to claim 10,000 coins or rewards, however you would call it. I'm not too sure myself, but allow me to explain the process that I'm going through. Initially, they gave me 200 clicks to get 10,000 rewards every time. And it looks like they give me another 200 because I was counting. The last count, I already had about 130 left of clicks to collect my $10,000. Sorry. Now, this is ready to be claimed. It says so here, ready. And the process to claiming your $10,000 every 2 minutes is simple. Follow the phrases here, which is 500. Oh, this happens from time to time. Just click these websites out. They're trying to sell you something. You can buy it if you wish or join, but go back to the basics. Go back to where we were starting. Go through the phrase O2Z. Click on You're Not a Robot and collect your money. And that's how easy it is. And watch what happens. Wait for this. Wait for this introduction to come. You'll see your screen, your actual screen go in a different color. That means you're 100,000 points has been added to your huge credit. So remember, it was 811,000 a moment ago. Now let's check it out. Look at that. It's gone up another 10,000. So if I wait another 2 minutes, I can go back and click another 10,000 point into my account. And it looks like they have given me another extra 200 clicks. And that is awesome. Oh my God. Oh my God. So whatever the total, I don't know what the total is. Get your calculator. Okay, get your calculator. And if you total up 200,000, hold on. I've got a calculator here somewhere. Let me bring it up. Sorry, people. I'm going to do some calculation, okay? 200 times 10,000 equals, oh my God, 2 million. You get 2 million points, I think, in this area. Well, come on. In total, you'll get 2 million coins or rewards, whatever. I'm not too sure what it is, from this process called mining. So it looks like I've been offered another 200, and as you can see, I've already clicked that one, so I've got 199 to go. Clicks off 200 points reward. Now, I know that's crazy. I don't even know myself what it is. Of course, you're going to ask, how do you get this reward, these points? Okay, there's a process. There is a process that goes to allow you to withdraw this amount to the system back into Faucet Pay. Faucet Pay holds it. Then you can set your system up to link to your wallet. And I think once you get used to setting these system ups, I'll do another video how to show you how to set them or the links up to your wallet. But in the meantime, mining it has been an amazing process. I don't know if it's true, but I'm waiting for my first withdrawal, and the withdrawal is down the bottom here. As you can see, my healthy bar is ready to be withdrawn. It's already, but nothing has been withdrawn yet. There's a short link that means it's ready to be sent out to who it's going to be held, Faucet Pay. Now, sorry, held at Faucet Pay, then it'd be transferred out then to your wallet or wherever you want to send your coins to. Go back to where we were. Now, once the system has set up for you, you can go down the bottom here and ask for withdrawal. Don't worry, I've tested it out. I haven't been able to make a withdrawal. So as soon as I get this withdrawal, into my into the next part of the system, which is back into the main office of Faucet, then it allows me then to transfer that into my wallet or any trading account like Beyond Binance or CoinSpot, wherever you want to use your coins at. But the most important thing that I can sort of see at this stage is just mine it. If they're going to give you this amount of money, to mine, just take it. Mine it. It just takes time. It's your time on a computer. Mine it. Use it. As you can see, I'm going to go for another one. Remember, they gave me 200 clicks. I'm going to take out another second one after the new lot they have allocated me. And follow the phrase. This is to make sure you're not a robot. 3, 2, and 4. Oh, okay. Get out of there. Go back to where we were. Sometimes you tend to click these ads and it takes you there. Don't worry too much about it. Just come back to where you were. Click You're Not a Robot and go to the green button and collect your reward. Wait for this to click over on this side. There you go. You saw the color change. Then you know your money's in the bank, or your points anyway. Click that one out. That's all good. As you can see, all good, and 100 coins has been added to your balance. Oh my God, that is how fast I'm making coins. There we go, 2 minutes. From 820, well, started off with 811 coins, now to 131 in 4 minutes. Is that crazy or what? I don't know myself, I'm telling you. What you love that, then I can transfer all these coins into reality, into back into the main office, then transfer it into my wallet or my trading account, and we'll go from there. I'll certainly make that next video. I'm just introducing some of these brand new mining services that's available out there. That's showing there's so much crypto craze, or say sharing of wealth. I think is a better word. You might as well grab some for yourself. So come and join me somewhere in the bottom of this page. I mean this video. I'll send a link up. I'll send a link up for you to click on it or copy the link. Oh, here we go. Here's the link here. Copy this link. Copy it physically. Put it on your browser and go in it. Now this little bit at the end, that's my link. So by you going through my link, I get a little bit of your percentage when you join. Now that's fair, because when you start to pick up on your own processes, you'll have your own link and you introduce your own friends. So don't disconnect my link. This is important, so I can get a bit of share of your glory, just as you will get a share of your glory from your friends that you invite to in the near future. So follow the blockchain, don't destroy it, go through it, copy the link, try the system out, because remember, it's free. I haven't used a single bit of money to go through this process. All it's taken is my time to click. Click here, click there, and that's it. It's just clicks. It's amazing. It's a world of clicks to build up your fortunes for the future. Anyway, I love you. God loves you. And we look forward to posting up another video for yourself in the future. This is the weekend. Enjoy the weekend. Get out there and enjoy yourself. Bye for now, Steve.